How to fix Find My Location not working. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Settings. Now tap on your Apple ID. Scroll below, tap on Find My. Now tap on Find My iPhone. Right over here, make sure Find My iPhone is turned on, and also make sure Find My Network and Send Last Location is turned on. Now head back to Main Settings. Scroll below, tap on Privacy and Security. Now tap on Location Services. Right over here, make sure Location Services is turned on. Now tap on Location Alerts. And just like that, turn on this one too. After that, you want to simply scroll below. Then tap on Find My. And make sure it is set to while using the app. And also turn on Precise Location. Once done, you can simply open up your Find My application and check if it's working or not. If it's not working, simply tap on this Me button and make sure Share My Location is turned on. If it's still not working, make sure you're not connected to any VPN. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.